Although Namibian farmers grazing in Angola have been adhering to the rules, some regulations are said to be overlooked.
There were complaints that they were not, some of them were not really complying to what has been agreed by the meeting that we had with the two foreign ministers of Angola and Namibia, January last year. That they should they should make sure that they respect the laws, procedures, and the processes in Angola.
Some farmers were accused of erecting illegal fences at various grazing areas in Angola as cattle posts, which is prohibited. They were advised to stop forthwith to maintain the friendly relationship between the two countries. Livestock farmers were also warned to stop employing underaged children as cattle herders.
Or there were allegations made that these farmers, Namibian farmers grazing in Angola, they have employed underage personnel in their farms. And these, some of them, they are Angolans, more majority are Angolans, and this practice is against the law, and we were advising the farmers to make sure that they put it to an end immediately.
Namibians grazing in Angola were advised to reduce the large number of livestock as this has led to overgrazing in that country.
And we are advising them to ensure that they dispose some of these cattle through selling them and to make sure that they reduce the number of cattle and they protect the nature to probably not to be overgrazed.
It is also vital for farmers to visit their workers in Angola regularly, pay them on time and ensure that they have food, he said. Employers should also ensure that they are taken to hospital when they fall ill, noting an increasing number of malaria cases in Angola.